Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel, and today in this video I just like to show you how to fix your laptop webcam is not working problem. So let's begin our video. It's pretty much easy and simple step you just need to follow, so please careful. So first, what should you do? You just need to go on the start button and right click on your mouse and then go on device manager. And after that, here you can see in this camera section, click on this arrow icon. Now open, click, you just need to select HD webcam and then right click on your mouse. Then there have an option update driver, so you just need to update this driver. After complete update, you just need to restart your laptop, and after that your webcam is working perfectly. So hope guys this video can help you. Don't forget to like and subscribe my channel.